First of all, let me show you how beautiful this hotel is. This is Port Orleans, French Quarter. This is my room here. And to open it, I just tap my magic band on there, and away we go. And here it is. So, first look at the room, just put some lights on. There we go. Much bigger than the last one I was in, and as you can tell, it's much nicer as well. So first of all, nice big window at the front, nice thick classier looking curtains. Let's go there, hi. And as we move here, nice table, little Mickey that they've left for me. Obviously Port Orleans, French Quarter, it's got that kind of festival feel about it, so they've left me some beads there for that. Come on here, nice big unit with a big fridge in there. This is bigger than the last one as well. A huge television. This one has a coffee machine and it has Mickey coffee. Lush. So we've got some of that. Also some, what's this? Decaf coffee. Why? And some tea, which is lovely. Some glasses. There was no glassware in the last one. It was all plastic cups. So we've got some hooks up here. We had hooks in the last one, of course, but this is a bit more in keeping with the thing. A nice little bench, which is always handy to sit, put my shoes on, put my shoes under there. This is much better if you're a family. This is going to be much more suited for you. A lot of space under the bed, which I actually put my suitcase under. Again, there is that little table where I've just popped my bag. So, bed one, which I can't tell whether these are bigger or not. I think they are bigger than the ones at All Star Music. They look bigger. They do look bigger. So there's two of those again, and then we have this wonderful, I mean, it just looks beautiful bathroom area. So again, this is much bigger. Hey, we've got some Disney toiletries. Haven't stole them as yet. So there's the soap and some body lotion as well, which is nice. Taking those. Two sinks this time, one there and one there. This is really cool. Oh no. This is really cool. Ta-da! So you've got a little mirror that kind of lights up. And you can see me. All right, do that. Again, similar area to before, a bit more spacious, extra pillow and blanket. There is some hangers and ironing board and towel. Safe is actually, now you see the safe is deeper this time, but it's the other way up. So actually that could fit a laptop in there quite nicely, maybe a camera, something like that. And this is a digital safe, which is different as well. There's no key for you to lose. Again, a big curtain, which is quite a nice curtain. That's nice. So there's a view from the room from the other side. As you can see, much bigger. Laminate flooring. And then as you come in towards the bathroom, let's just find the light. Again, we've got this mirrored door. Really nice shower curtain. Big shower head on this one. And this is much nicer. The tiling is cleaner, it just looks fresher. The towels are nicely displayed. Toilet's the same, toilet's a toilet at the end of the day. Bath is exactly the same as the other one by the look of it. And again, those products that we had yesterday look exactly the same to me, and I think they possibly are. So there you have it. All in all, it's a much better resort. As I walked in this evening, you can just tell it's just much nicer. It's much quieter. It's a lot smaller. My room is 2-minute walk from everything, reception and the restaurant and the shop, which is great. The pool is just across the way. But this is a moderate resort, so this is supposed to be an upgrade on the All Stars where I stayed last night, and it most definitely is, you can tell. But this is the difference from paying £90 a night to paying, I think it was 200 almost a night, give or take, maybe a little bit more, which is why I'm only here for a week. before I go elsewhere. So this is home for the next 7 nights. It's Port Orleans, French Quarter, and it's beautiful. And actually, my free dining kicks in today as well. So the dining package came with booking this hotel room. It's a certain offer that they have on at different times of the year. I took advantage of that, which means I get 2 meals a day, 2 snacks a day, and 2 drinks. They can be alcoholic, or they can be soft drinks, and I get a refillable mug, which I can fill up at any time. That was all part of the price of the room. So that's probably about 50 to 60 pounds worth of food a day. So that does bring the price of the room down a little, I guess. Was it worth it? Yeah, I think so.